My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. 2 Corinthians 12, verse 9.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tasha Brew and I want to share my hair journey with you, and most definitely you. Today I'm going to be talking about how I create my oil. So a few weeks ago I posted a video of me going oil shopping, and today I'm going to put my oil mixtures together. So you'll see in the list of oils that I have, I'm actually going to be combining them with some powders I have as well. I want to show you guys that process, what I do, how I do it. And so we're in Tasha Brew's kitchen today, but we're not going to be cooking. We are going to be putting together oils, or cooking up some oils, right? Blending them together and allowing them to infuse. So we're going to be letting those oils infuse with the powders. And you guys are going to see that process today. I start off every oil mixture that I create for myself with olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and castor oil. So if you haven't already, definitely click on the subscribe button below. And if you have, thank you. But this is my routine and this is how I create my oil. So
Olive oil is the first oil that I'm putting in my mason jar. And olive oil has so many benefits. It can add shine, body, and even softness to the hair. It strengthens the hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. It also contains vitamins E and K. Next up, we have castor oil. Castor oil is a natural moisturizer. It has antimicrobial properties that help prevent dandruff, lice, and other scalp infections. It contains vitamin E and ricinoleic acid, which helps increase the circulation to the scalp. And just like that, we've made it to our third oil, avocado oil. Avocado oil is a lightweight oil that provides moisture and strength to the hair. It protects your hair from things like UV radiation. Avocado oil contains vitamin D and has the ability to penetrate the hair shaft. And if you watched my last video, then you definitely guessed this one. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It gets deep into the hair follicles. It helps soften, condition, and add shine to the hair. It's time to add those powders. Let's see what we got. If you're looking at this list and you're thinking, wow, that's a lot, you're right. And so I encourage you to just take it slow, right? Start off with maybe 1 or 2 oils that I have here today and test them out. And then start off with a couple of powders. As you can see, I have a long list of powders that I use. These powders derive from plants and have a ton of beneficial components, not just for hair, but for your overall health. Herbal powders can be used both orally and topically. I do caution you, however, to do a little bit more research before purchasing any of the items that I have listed here. If you are pregnant or nursing, please consult with a medical professional or someone trained or experienced in working with herbal products. There are a ton of benefits to these powders and oils, so leave a comment below if you would like me to talk more about this. I will leave the links below with some of the resources for both the oils and the powders, so definitely check it out. Here's the oil, the finished product. Shake it up And then look how it just falls. That is so pretty. It's so pretty. I do shake it at least once a day to help with the infusion process, and I do save it or keep it in a dark space, and so where there's no direct sunlight. And then I usually date it this because it does have this here. I'll date it just so I know when I created the oils, because from here what I do is I'll transfer it into an applicator bottle. For now, I'll just leave it in the mason jar and let it do its thing, and then maybe in a couple weeks or so I'll just use the funnel and transfer the oils from here into the applicator bottle. I do have an extra step in between this. As I'm using the funnel to transfer into the applicator bottle, I use a cheesecloth and I'll transfer, say that 3 times fast, cheesecloth, 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 cheesecloth. And basically what that does is it has little tiny holes. I try to not use a strainer because those holes are too big. With the cheesecloth, sometimes I'll do cheesecloth and like a strainer with really thin holes to remove as much powder or residue as possible, because I don't want the residue of the powders in my hair, if that makes sense. So that's why it's important to let the oils infuse with the powder. That way I'm still getting the goodness of the powders. However, those things aren't directly in my hair or my scalp. Everything that I have today, everything that I've used today, I will link in the description box, from powders that I use to the oils. I'll find the Amazon equivalent of those oils, to any resources, anything that I discussed, any of the resources, you can find those down below as well. To the mason jar, to my measuring cups, all those things are going to be down below.
In the comment section, let me know what you guys want to see more of, any questions that you have, anything that I wasn't able to cover in this video. Let me know, which will provide that information to you guys as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks for stopping by.
Well, real quick, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe.
All right, so I'm gonna definitely catch you on my next one.
God bless you all, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, all right? Or night, depending on what time you're watching this. Once again, my name is Tasha Brew. Thank you for watching. Bye.